Hello children, how are you? Now, first of all, as tell me the date today. Today's date is 1st September, right? So, 1st September means 9th month of the year, right? And 2020, right? And which subject I teach you? I teach you maths, right? And children, in previous class, what you all learned? You all learned chapter 5 and is multiplication, right? And in homework, I give you table of 2 and 3, right? Children, I hope that you all were write the table of 2 and 3 in your notebook, right? And learn it also. But children, I told you that I telling you right now that I am going to teach you table of 2, 3 and 4 in this class. Okay. So children, today's topic is tables 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now children, firstly, first table of 2. Okay. So 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 into 3, repeat after me, 2 into 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 into 3, 2 threes are 6, then 2 into, then children 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 into 5, 2 fives are 10, then 2 into 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 into 7, 2 sevens are 14, then 2 into 8, 2 eights are 16, okay, then here 2 into 9, 2 nines are 18, and then here children see over here 2 into 10, 2 tens are 20. Okay, so repeat after me. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, then 2 tens are 2 tens are 20. Okay. Now children, this is the table of 2. Okay. So you all have to learn table of 2. You all see. Okay. Table of 2. Now children, I am writing table of 3. Similarly, only in place of 3, in place of 2, I have to write table of 3 only. Okay. So children, here table of 3. 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, then 3 into 2, 3 twos are 6, 3 into 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. 3 into 7. 3 7s are 21. 3 into 8. 24. Then 3 into 9. 27. Then 3 into 10 is 3 tens are 30. Right, children? Okay, repeat after me. 3 ones are 3 means I have means 3 added how many times? Only one time. So 3 ones are 3. In this 3 twos are 6. So means that 3 added 2 times. Okay. So what is what it makes 6? Then 3 added 3 times. Then the sum is 9. Then 3 added 4 times. Then the sum is which we get is 12. So similarly this table is made and you all have to learn so that you can easily make tables and you don't have to waste your time. Okay. So 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Again 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24, 24. 3 nines are 27, 27. Then 3 tens are 30. 30, 30. Okay. So children, this is the table of 3. Okay. As you all get the table. Now children, today one more table you all have to learn is table of 4. So that table of 2, 3 you all get and table of 4 I am giving you. Okay. So in place of 3 now I am writing only table of 4. Now as similarly all the tables how many times they were added? Only that is the okay. Then 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 into 2. 8. Then 4 into 3. 4 threes are 12. 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. Then 4 into 5. 20. Then 4 into 6. 24. Then 4 into 7. 28. Then 4 into 8. 32. Then 4 into 9. 36. Then 4 into 10 is 40. Okay. Now children, see 4 ones are means 4 added 1 time. So 4 added 2 times, then 8. 4 added 3 times, then 12. 4 added 4 times, 16. 4 added 5 times means 40. 4 added 6 times means 24. 4 added 7 times means 28. 4 added 8 times means 32. 4 added 9 times means 36. Then 4 added 10 times become 40. So how will you read this table of 4? I am telling you. 4 ones are 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now I am again repeating this. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now children, this is the table of 2, 3 and 4. You all have to, in homework I give you this table of 4 and you all have to write this table of 4 again in your notebook and learn this table also. Okay children, homework is your learn the table of 2, 3, 4. Okay, now thank you children, thank you and have a nice day.